If your dishwasher makes sound like this, that means you need to replace a drain pump. Flip over dishwasher and locate your drain pump. It usually locates here. Now you will need to unscrew 3 screws. They are located here, here and one more here. It's time to take off the pump, but be advised there will be a residue of the water inside the system. When the old pump out, grab a new pump and insert it. You will see the tab that will go straight in the places it's designed to go. Insert the new pump and put 3 screws back at the same spots. Don't forget to connect wires. And before I put the dishwasher back in, I'd like to check that everything works properly. If you haven't subscribed yet, that means you missed many helpful videos. That's a pity.